Today we received the latest tool from Autel 906 Pro 2 TS. So this is the new version from the 906 series. So they call it 9MS maxisys MS906 Pro 2 TS. TS is for tire sensor programming, where you find this mark. If I open this shoot case, I will find the main device, I will find the Bluetooth and the charger of this tablet, and the cable which can connect the Bluetooth with the device. From time to time you want to update this Bluetooth. When you install a new version here, when you update the device, maybe there is a handshake software that you have to update this Bluetooth, so that is the cable in there. Let me tell you that this device is the new version of 906 ordinary 906. That the main difference between this and the normal 906 is the service reset. So we're talking about 48 service reset in here. So let me go back here and then go to the services. Okay, this is the services. The services are more now. It's 48 service reset. From oil reset all the way to electrical bike braking, battery management system, brake bleeding after treatment, EMO key programming, injector, SAS steering. You can boost the screen and you can identify the service you're looking for. I'm going to scroll the screen and you can also again boost the screen. Here I can see the VIN detection, EGR. You write the VIN number for the car, EGR. You can also reset it from here. Automatic start, stop, clutch, airbag reset, air fuel ratio. Many service reset in here. Let me scroll the screen also. You can again boost the screen and can find more reset functions in here. I can say about the short circuit reset, coolant fragrant change, camshaft learning. So the device has more reset functions. I will go back and show you when I go to diagnosis. It's covering a lot of cars, American cars, Dodge, Chrysler, Ram. You can again boost the screen. A lot of software need a lot of memory, so 128 giga memory and 4 giga RAM. Give it more speed and more fast in performance. When I go to European cars, again, please boost the screen and find out the car that you want. I can see Lamborghini here, Porsche, Mini, Citroen, Maybach, Mercedes-Benz, Peugeot, Volvo, all the European cars in here, Rolls-Royce, Jaguar, Saab, Fiat, Audi, so Maserati. A lot of cars is being covered by this device. Asian cars is Hyundai, Kia from Korea, Japanese cars, and also Indian cars. So Lexus is there, Proton, Subaru, Daewoo, Honda, Daihatsu, Nissan, Mahindra, which is Indian. Here you go here, Samsung, Nissan GTR, Tata from India. The list is really massive. The list is massive. But if you go to Chinese, they say in the specification they enhance a lot of Chinese coverage. So you see here Maxus, Saikem, Famum, Skywell, Exceed, JMC, many of them is there. I can see also here the list is really some of them I do not know. I do not know the right pronunciation for it. 4D, I go here, you stop the screen and you can check also WYEY, SGMW, Polestar, Bao, Lifan. So I can see a lot of Chinese car which was not covered by the other models. Haval, Cherry, Fao, it's too much actually. Series, Bao John, Nita, it's too much. G-Tour is very well liked here, and a lot of G-Tour cars is in our area now. BYD is there. You can again stop the screen and also check yourself the car you are looking for. So many Chinese car now came to our market. Great Wall. So the list is really massive. I can see many Chinese car in this device. Auto VIN detection is there, and you can also input the chassis number manually. Let me go back. You can use this device as a TBMS tool. Okay, so TBMS sensor programming. You can use this tool to program the TBMS sensors from Autel. you know, and you can also read other sensors from other factory. No, bring the sensor, please. So you can program the Autel sensors because this mark is showing Autel sensors. So and you can also read a lot of other sensors. Whatever sensor that having a number, you can read it and you can program it in the car. But if you want to program sensor, you need MX sensor, which is from Autel. So you can program this sensor and learn it to the car. Okay. I mean, the list is really very massive. You can see. And you know, this device can also support Autel BL sensor, the Tesla. This is a little bit different from this, but also can program a BL sensor, which is for Tesla. Plug and play. You just put the Tesla sensor in the car and start working. So a lot of you know, cars with TBMS system is covered by this device. See, European. From here you can change. Also, you know, it was always challenged to change between the frequencies. But when I say European, 433 hertz, okay, which is European. And if I change to American, for example, North America, we're talking about 315 you know, megahertz. So you know, all the cars are covered. Easy, very easy to use. Okay, you can check the coverage list. Also is really massive, is really wonderful, and can cover your demand. This device can be converted also to work as an ADAS, so it accepts ADAS calibration. That kit, if you see, let me show you the kit. Yeah, let me show you the kit. This is the kit. Yeah, see, this is the kit. ADAS, you can buy the targets, the land discipline warning, the reflectors, and also the adaptive cruise control, maybe corner reflector. So this device can work as an ADAS system. Okay. One more thing is that this device can also act as a video scope. So battery tester is there also. Come closer. Battery tester, which is this one, BT506. Okay, BT506. You can hook it up to the battery and test the battery life, the cranking, and also the dynamo, alternator, how it is charging. And it can work as a video scope. If you go here, see maxi video. So this, as a combination with this, you can just hook it up to the device and you start seeing the hidden areas. Great things is also the maxi scope. You can also connect the maxiscope where you can draw the oscilloscope signals. It has 2 years free update. It has also 1 year warranty. It has a language. I can show you the demonstration for this device. This video is a little, a big video, but okay, let me show you. So if I select, for example, Volkswagen, if I say accept, by the way, this device does not cover the online programming and does not cover also the topology scanning. So I'm just acting like I am connecting in the car. You go and connect the Bluetooth to the car, and then it will immediately recognize the type of the car, recognize the model of the car, and you know, start interrogating and asking all the system to answer this tablet and check, scan, diagnose the modules. Okay, so it's asking for SFD. By the way, you can also unlock SFDs for Volkswagen, Audi, Golf, you know, Vaga Group, and you can also unlock, this is an additional service, around $130 for SFD, and you can also unlock the Dodge Chrysler, which costs you around $100 maybe. You can unlock the also FCA Group, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Fiat, you know. So if I say from here I can auto scan, or I can just check the gateway control unit if I want to go to specific unit, hot functions if I want to do it only the hot functions, but I want just to make for you auto scan. Okay, and say fault scan. It will start communicating to the engine control module, checking the control module, scanning it. It's just mimic. This is a simulation. It's just simulate the how this can be done. So you know, many systems can be checked by this device, and if we find the fault, let it finish because it's still scanning, you know. Once it is finished, I can just show you one of the faults, how it is reported by this device, and you can erase the faults, and you can also, you know, make you can watch the live data and you can you see the live data, the counters, the input outputs, the analog inputs and the digital inputs. You can see, for example, the RPM, how it's racing, how all of this stuff. Let me show you that, you know, this device can also give you a report. You can from here print the report, okay, and you can make it, see, this is the report, and you can report it to cloud. So you can report it to cloud, just write the cloud, and then by barcode you can share it with your customer, who can easily go and check the report from anywhere in the world. Okay, here is the fault. If I go inside, I want to see the fault, it will interrogate that unit, and it will check the electric drive, and then from here I can see the ECU information, the numbers, the model number and the part number, and from here I can trouble codes. I can see the trouble codes, okay, see, control module, and from here also I can go live data, you know, and I can monitor the data which is happening on the car. Just briefly, I will go adaptation. You can make adaptation, like for example, gear adaptation is from here, production mode, sensor for rotor position, for drive. You know, you can make relearn and adaptation, you know, and reset functions, basic setting, advanced ID, security, coding. You know, you can make coding by this device. I'm talking about offline coding. Online programming is different. You have to find it in a bigger device, Ultra or Ultra S2 or whatever. We say thank you very much for watching us. It was a long video. I don't want to prolong it more. Thank you very much from Al Muhandis Workshop Equipment, Sharjah, United Arab Emirates.